Alright, a little short video on my reinvention of my solar panel. It is going to be sun tracking. And I redone my panels here, or my boards, because it wasn't going to be flat, and I didn't want to put the panels in a bind. And my other design had 4x4s out here on the end, and 4x4s are not square, on both sides, so it was putting everything in a bind. So I opted for 2x4s on both ends, and then up here I put the pinhole all the way through, and then I just put a cap on it. So that'll keep the pin from coming out and working its way out, and of course I can give me a way of actually putting a little more grease into the pinhole where it pivots from east to west. So as you see, it pivots east to west, and then this right here is your north to south tilt. So, and this will be put on a pin system, and I got to drill the holes yet, but right there by that big pin there's going to be some pins to hold this in those positions from winter all the way to the summer position, which is going to be away against this. And kind of where I'm at, the sun is a little bit more to the north, so that what I done, I made this tilt just a little bit more northward, and it's very upright position. So now when it tracks from east to west, it will be able to catch more sunlight and be more directed at the sun. And of course, as the season changes, I got to get my tracking motor and everything hooked up and get my panels mounted, which is coming next, and get the wiring ran, and then we'll show you how it works. I've got the wind turbine is already up and working, and functioning as it should. Right now there's hardly, well actually I got it in park position and got it stopped, got the brake on. I had my solar charge controller worked on. It was not reading correctly, so set it off and I got it fixed. I just got to hook all the connections back up and make sure everything's working properly. And my solar panels are still kind of just laying flat out on my trailer. I got a car trailer that I've just laid them on, but they'll go on this right here, and basically they're just going to sit on there. And I've got some screws that I'm going to put rubber grommets and screw the panels down to these treated 2x4s. This is all treated wood, and I'm actually going to get some water seal and seal it, spray it all and seal it all up good. Make sure that all the cracks and crevices will kind of last a little longer. It's in a treated pole and concrete, so should be fairly strong. We'll see how it works. Heck, never know, may patent it. Anyways, when we get to the next step, I'll do another video and show some of my friends that's been asking about it. Got a lot of people I work with and the people around this community that's doing or interested in doing the same thing. So till the next video.